Hey everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very gorgeous mandala pattern greeting card, which is made using paper quilling strips, and I have also used some mirrors here and there to decorate my card little more. And I will also share how to make the 3D frame inside which I will fit the mandala pattern, and you can write the special message inside the card to your loved ones or to your nearer ones. Isn't it looking very pretty? So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 1 by 14 cm white color cardstock strip, and we need to join total 7 strips together to make one thick strip. Here I am showing you how to make the frame for the card, and we need thick side so that we will have the dimension here. And this strip is having 250 GSM cardstock paper. So this is done. In the same way I have prepared one more strip with the same measurements, and also we need 2 more strips which measures 1 by 12 centimeters. These are also made using 7 strips. So all 4 sides are ready. Now I am taking one more white color cardstock base which is 14 by 14 centimeters, and on top of this I am going to stick 14 by 14 centimeter designer paper. So this is done. Now taking all 4 sides of the frame and sticking on the edge of the card. And this is done, looking very pretty and nice. Then I'm adding glue on the edge of the card and decorating it using light purple color strip around this for the neat and finished work. So this is done. Then I am going to stick one beautiful frame on top of this, which is made using pattern paper by Dress My Craft in purple shade. So the base of the card is ready. Now I am starting with my first quilling shape. For this I am taking one strip of dark purple color in 3 mm and making one tight coil dome. Like this. Then I have already prepared some more shapes. I will share each shape one by one. For the first shape I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. Similarly I have prepared some more already. Then for the next shape I am taking half strip of light purple color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. This is the tight teardrop. For all my shapes of mandala today I am using 3 mm strips only, and my one strip length is 45 centimeters. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of dark purple color in 3 mm and making one fat leaf shape. Fat means you have to push from top and bottom little bit like this. Super easy. And for the next shape I am taking half strip of grey color, wrapping it around the pen and making one ring shape. Like this, all the shapes are ready. Now taking back my card, and exactly in the center I am first sticking the dark purple tight coil dome. Around this I am adding light pink color tight coils. Then around this I am adding one strip of pink fuchsia color strip. And then I am adding these purple teardrop shapes. After that I am adding dark purple leaf shapes between each teardrop. Then between each leaf shape I am adding grey color rings. And this is done, looking very pretty. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of pink fuchsia color and making one tight coil dome. Like this. Now adding these tight coil domes inside each ring shape. Like this. Now wrapping total 3 strips of light purple color around this. After that I am taking 1/4 strip of light pink color, making one bended teardrop shape. So we need some more bended teardrops. Now for the next shape I am taking half strip of medium purple color and making one bended leaf shape. That means half moon shape. Like this. Now taking back my card, now between each ring shape, I am sticking these half moon shapes first. After that, on top of this, I am adding two bended teardrops shapes. Like this, looking very pretty, isn't it? Now around this I am adding 3 strips of dark purple color. Then I am dividing purple color strip in 4 parts and making one tight coil. And sticking between each ring shape to fill the gap. If you find the space is less, you can just divide your strip into half, that is 1/8 strip, to make the tight coil in smaller size. And similarly between each pink shape I am adding 1/8 strip dark purple tight coils. Then to create scroll, here I am taking pink fuchsia color strip, dividing in 4 parts. Gather all together, fold it from center and start rotating it from the corner till the end to create the scroll shape. Cut the excess strip from bottom, level it up, secure the ends using glue, and the super beautiful scroll is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more and we need 2 more scrolls which are made using medium purple color. Then taking back my card and first I am decorating the corners using these scrolls. Then in the center I am adding these teardrop shape which is made using 1 strip of light purple color. These are 2 tight coil dome shapes which are made using half strips of grey color, and in the corner I am adding 1/4 strip dark purple tight coil. Similarly, I have decorated remaining 3 corners, and then between each scroll shape I am adding 2 more scrolls which are made using light purple color strips. Then it's time to decorate this using some mirrors. So here I am using triangle mirror, some diamond shaped mirrors and teardrop mirrors. So it's all up to you. Whatever shape you have, you can decorate your card according to this. And this is done. Then taking 30 by 15 centimeter purple color cardstock, folding it from center and sticking my beautiful card on top of this. Allow it to dry for a few minutes. And the super gorgeous mandala pattern greeting card with the dimension is ready. You can convert this into gift box or wall hanging, and of course you can write a special message inside the card. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.